dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Ting braids got mini afros. Big lips got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in mine.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from UNicehair. Today's unit is one of their newer units, but at the same time, I could be completely wrong, so don't quote me. But it is their ash violet with brownish baby lights body wave wig. This is how the unit is being portrayed online, and then this is how the unit is looking when it comes straight out of the box. As you can see, it starts off with brown roots and then it goes down into this ash violet, almost like a silver grayish purplish type of tint. It's very different. The cap construction for this unit is your standard cap construction. It comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, the other 2 are at the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. This unit comes in a 13x4 and a 13x4 only and 150% density. The lengths offered for this unit are a 14-inch all the way down to 24 inches, and I received the 24-inch. The unit is said to come pre-plucked, and upon removing the unit from the box, I immediately noticed that it was pre-plucked, which I can always appreciate. Now, will I need to pluck it some more? I don't know. I just always feel like that's determined whenever I put the unit on my actual head. But that's pretty much all I want to speak about regarding the specs of this unit. On TikTok, I have been seeing a style circulating around, and so I really want to try it out. So let's cross our fingers, hope, pray, and wish that I am able to achieve the style. If not, I'm gonna let you guys know, like, hey, I couldn't do it, it was too hard for me. But if I am able to achieve it, well then you'll see it. So let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts and opinions afterward.
Like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Remember the first time we met? You was at the mall with your friend. I was scared to approach you, but then you came closer, hoping you would give me a chance. Who would have ever knew that we would ever be more than friends? The railroad boy breaking all the rules. She like a song played again and again. Like something of a poster. It's a gun, they say. It's a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. See your pain all around the globe. Not once did you leave my mind. We talk on the phone from night till the morning. Girl, it really changed my life. Doing things I never do. I'm in the kitchen cooking things she likes. The railroad vibe breaking all the rules. Someday I wanna make you my wife. Like something of a poster. It's a damn they say. It's a gun to my holster. And she's running through my mind all day. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. Shawty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep out. Got me singing like na 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 na. Every day's like my iPod stuck on replay. I can be your melody, a girl I can write you a symphony, the one that can fill your fantasies. So come baby girl, let's sing with me. I can be your melody.
Y'all, I was actually able to achieve the style that I was going for, so I'm so freaking happy right now. But let's go ahead and talk about this unit from UNicehair. Earlier in the video, I spoke about how the color was very different. Now, I'm gonna be completely honest. I thought I was gonna have something negative to say about the color, but to my surprise, I'm actually feeling this color. About a week or 2 ago, I put up a video for UNice, and it was pretty much this unit, except for instead of the ash violet color, it was more so of like a peachy pink color. If I were to compare those 2 units to one another, I would pick this one over that one. Don't get me wrong, I think that one is very cute, especially seeing as how we got all the Barbie stuff going on right now. I feel like it's very fitting for the moment. But I don't know, it's something about this ash violet, almost grayish color that's just, yeah, I just like it more. That's all I can say. I am someone who really appreciates when a unit is multicolored. You're not seeing like the harsh lines in between the two colors. This unit, you don't get that whatsoever. It's been ombreed or highlighted or whatever you want to call it really well. I really like how the brown streaks, some of them are even brought like almost all the way down to the end of the unit. I don't know, it's just, whoever colored this unit did a really good job. As far as tangling and shedding is concerned, I'm not really getting any tangles, which is always a good thing. But then when it comes to the shedding part, I'm not really getting a whole lot. I'm just getting a few strands here and there. Quick little backstory though, my youngest son decided to come into my room this morning and he chose this wig as his victim. And when I tell you, he balled it up, matted it up, put my little bum bum lotion cream, I'm talking about, this was full. There's nothing in there now, basically. He put it all throughout the week, so I was like, but I was able to wash it. Actually, I didn't even use any shampoo. I just went in with some conditioner because I washed it a few days ago. I went in with some conditioner to get it all out, and I, of course, you know, started from the bottom and like used the brush comb thingy to like get the mattedness out. This wig did not shed as much as I thought it was going to shed. Of course, I had some strands, course, because like I said, my son matted it up, but I'm just telling you guys, it didn't shed a whole bunch and I was very surprised. The fit of this unit feels really nice. I would definitely consider it a big head friendly type of unit. Currently my hair is straightened and it's also in a ponytail, so if I were to turn around in this unit, you would see like a little hump in the back, and I mean, that's because that's my ponytail, but that's also an indicator to me, letting me know that it is big head friendly, because if my hair was braided, you know, straight to my scalp, I would have room or extra room within the unit. I've said this before and I'll say it again, I am not the strongest plucker when it comes to wigs, so anytime I receive a unit that I don't have to pluck and the hairline still looks really nice and natural, I can always appreciate. But yeah guys, I really don't have a whole lot to say about this unit. Like, I'm really feeling it, I'm really liking it. I keep looking this way because I'm looking at myself in the mirror because I'm like, girl, you look good. But yeah, let me know what you guys think and how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. Thank you so much to UNicehair for sending over this unit for me to review. It is much appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.